The hardest part of the storytelling isn't the drawing, it's the making people feel the story. So today I will gonna show you my secret how I made this flipbook so you can do it too. So, number uno, paper. Number two, you will need some clips. This is optional, but you can buy some paper on your online Amazon, eBay or something like you see right here. 3. You will need obviously the pen. 4. You will need some light to see through your paper, so I use my phone as an example, this app, my light. Or optional, you can buy some tablets like this and you can be a cool guy like me right here. Hehe. And my secret is the storyboard. So the story is that my friend was chilling on a Christmas, having a hard time being sad, and all of a sudden a message popped up to his phone. A girl was writing him like Merry Christmas and stuff, and he got so excited that they started to text every day. And the next scene is about how she's on a vacation, he's home, and every day, all day texting, emojis, everything, and it's like two scenes separate but in the same time together, and the love emoji in the middle. Third scene is about how they've been met in person. They just sitting down, chilling, having a good time, looking at each other and just smiling. The next scene is about how they are looking at the planes while planes are taking off. And the girl right here, she is just raising her hand and waving at the planes. This is a love story in the beginning, and at the outro it will be like a to be continued in the fluffy clouds. Now we need to number each scene so we could know the priorities in the story. This part right here, it's not gonna be visible while we will gonna flip the flipbook like you see in my example. Also very important to number each scene. You always can do in-betweens, like in my case 12.1.